Hi, this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life, and welcome back to my channel. This is just a normal regular process video, and I'm going to use this sketch, and it is from Christina over at the Secret Not Secret Kit Club. I am just using the sketch that she provided over the Scrappy weekend. Obviously, I just follow along with all the challenges. I love the challenge part of it because it's something that gives me mojo, or however you want to look at it, to give me some takes on different things, right? So this is the sketch that was provided for there, and if you're interested, all you have to do is just type it into Google or something like that, and it'll come up if you are. What I decided to do is that I followed it very closely, except for the photos. I was only able to find 2 photos, but it works out really well. I am using the new Bella Volleyball girl collection. Don't ask me, it's like My Candy Girl or something like that. That is the collection that I am using. And I wanted to pull some different little spots because the photos, I think I have not shown you the photos yet. The photos are when my daughter was able to do beauty during COVID. Now, I am almost closely done with my, like what I'm going to consider COVID photos, because ultimately all the rest of the photos are just now our new normal for like now until whatever, right? So what I decided to do is that at a certain point, I like cut it off that nope, we're not quarantining anymore, like at home, like all the time. And then I'm just like gonna put the rest of it in their like albums as like this is just our new normal. So my friend next door, Tina, throughout this pandemic, if you're new, welcome. I'm so glad to have you. During the pandemic, I am in a duplex. And in the duplex, I have a friend that lives next door, and their daughter and Kaylin plays really well together. And so she came up with this beauty idea. It was on Pinterest for her, and I was like, yeah, we can do this. I said, well, what do we need? And she drew out the picture on the cardboard, and then we found some yarn and all of that, and then we gave both of our kids, Mia and hers, the different types of like eyeshadows and paints and finger paints and whatever else have you, and they had their own little beauty salon, and they could cut the hair if they wanted to, or not cut the hair and leave it as long, or whatever, however they wanted to do it. So I'm just backing all of these colors that I'm using are what I use to back that back piece where I've got those 3 different styles. And what I decided to do was I wanted to incorporate this paper of these little confetti on one side of it, and then you'll see me come in with this one, and I lined it up to where they are matching like as it goes across, so that as it crossed it isn't too far out of like the norm. I wanted the colors to match at least, because you can tell that I kind of wanted the pink to match up and the teal to match up because of what I'm using. So then in the sketch, it has where there's different type of stamping. So I pulled out my Tim Holtz. I think these are Tim Holtz. Maybe they're Spellbinders. I'm not sure. But this is one of my go-tos that I use for black medium without having a lot of textures or like depth to it. So I wanted the textures of it, but I wanted it to be flat. And I just love how that part turns out. And then I come in with my Close to My Heart stamps. Now, I will, if I can find them, I will link them down below, because I actually like this stamp. So what I did is that I placed the stamp down just before I put my photos in there so that I wasn't covering it completely up and then trying to do another stamp when it wouldn't look right. So that's all that part is. So I'm just pushing it down, trying to get it. And I know that you can't really like see it like on camera, but it's very noticeable and I love it. I love that part about it. I think that it works out perfectly. And I think that adding that little bit of dimension of flatness to it, like this 2D, is wonderful. So that is that part of it. That's what I'm doing there. And then I do come in with my butterfly, which is right there. And I want to place that butterfly there as well. And to do that part of it. And I do ink everything in black. The 2 flowers and that butterfly's in black. The other one is in pewter, which is almost a black, but not quite. Now, I do feel that what I am doing here is achievable and it's easy for you guys to do. Like this sketch at first, I was like, oh boy, I don't know how many you're going to have, Christina, but I feel that this sketch is very usable. I really, really like it. I think that it is perfect and I just love it. I just love this sketch. And yeah. You guys all know I do like a good sketch. I do like a good challenge, and this achieved it. So let's see here. Summer school. I am in my second week, second day when I do this voiceover, because I figured I'll probably put this up on Thursday. Yeah, I'll probably put it up on Thursday. So that'll be like my last day of the second week, and then I've got one more week. I had unexpected guests show up at my house. So this would be, I did this on a Tuesday, so they rolled in on a Monday. Fran ended up coming back from vacation, and she just couldn't quite make it. I said, stop, come to me, and then finish your trip out on Tuesday. So I went to the grocery store, got some groceries, and I then told her, I said, come on. I said, I got a bed for you. I got some food for you. We'll hang out, maybe get dessert or something, which what we did. And then we can be on our merry way. And so that is what she did. She did definitely come along and stop and whatnot. So that was nice. It was nice to do that part of it for this week. So it kind of broke it up. Although now I have to get all my homework done and whatnot because I didn't do anything on a Monday night. But that's okay. That's the whole point of college and being a college student. You get to kind of push it off and be a total college person. So yeah, I'm just working on putting up all of the little bits and bobs that I like. And this collection from Bella Boulevard's got like a ton. I can't wait to keep using this more often. It's super gorgeous. So I have all these little like foam and little stickers like this. So I add these all over, and then I do come in with some splatters, and that pretty much is it. I don't, I feel like my title, I really didn't need like a title. And then I keep looking at it, and I think I need to put like beauty shop or something on there. So I'll probably go back and put that on. But for right now, my title is just too cute. It's not that I didn't finish it out. I just like the way it is. But the still shots are coming up. I hope that you like and subscribe to the channel. Have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.